Hey, it's Ty Crandall with CreditSuite, and in this video I want to introduce you to the little known about third type of credit that you have, which is called bank credit or your bank rating. So you're probably familiar with your consumer credit, and you may be familiar with business credit as well. Bank credit is the third type of credit a lot of entrepreneurs don't know about, but you should know because this is what controls your ability to get money from the banking system. So let's dive in. So obviously a business bank account is very important because it helps you separate your personal and business banking. It's really something you have to do if you're going to start running a successful business because it helps you maintain accurate records and prepare reports and have wire transfers, checks, deposits, withdrawals. All of those things are done only if you have a business bank account. Now, when it comes to your bank credit score, most people know nothing about this at all, but you should know because, as I mentioned, this is what determines if you get approved or denied for any kind of financing from the big banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase. This is the credit score internal that they are using. Now, the bank credit score, the bank rating is what it's called, is the total amount of borrowing capacity a business can get from the banking system. Very important statement here. So first of all, I am not talking about business credit. What I'm about to show you has nothing to do with business credit. Your bank rating doesn't even matter at all when it comes to credit cards. Nor does it matter if you're dealing with alternative lenders too. There's all this alternative financing I often talk about that's based on your cash flow or your credit or your collateral. None of that matters here at all. All that matters, this only pertains to when you walk into a major bank like Wells Fargo, Chase, or Bank of America to get a loan, a credit card, or a credit line, especially an SBA loan. That's when this really becomes a factor. So again, business credit, not what we're talking about here. It's a much broader category. Okay, in this case, what we're talking about is getting actual money from the banking system. So the bank credit score, the way it works is you want to keep at least an average of $10,000 in your bank account over the last 3 months to have what's called a low 5 bank rating. Okay, so again, a lower rating, a high 4, a balance of 7,000 to 10,000, it's not going to stop the application, but it's probably going to get you denied. So here's how this actually works. You're looking for a low to high 5 bank rating to get any money from the banking system. If you're in the 4s, you're probably not going to get money from the banking system. So that means that, for example, if you keep $3,000 in average on your bank account, you're a low 4 rating. A low 4, mid 4, high 4, anything less than 10,000 in the last 90 days on average in your bank account will not give you a score high enough to get money from the banking system. You need at least 10,000 to have a low 5 rating, and you can go all the way up to 70,000 plus to have the highest 5 rating, but this will determine your probability of getting a money from one of those big banks. Now, without at least a low 5 rating, as I mentioned, you're probably not going to get approved. And again, the bank ratings are basically measurement of how responsible you're managing the bank account. So I just told you the main factor of it, but let's talk about some other ones. Insufficient funds, negative cash flow, low balances. These can all adversely affect your bank rating. So you need to make sure you don't have those non-sufficient funds, that you have enough money to cover what's going through expense-wise in your bank account. You don't want to have negative cash flow. You don't want to have balances that are low or even negative at the end of every reporting cycle. You want to make sure you have more money going in than going out, positive cash flow. You want to have consistent deposits. You want to open your bank account as soon as possible. The age of your bank account ties into it, and other products you're using from the bank, other accounts you have from the bank, that ties into it too. Do you have a savings account? Do you have a money market account? It helps your bank rating if you have these types of additional accounts. So again, bank rating really comes down to responsible bank account management. And that matters for a lot of reasons, not just for SBA loans, but if you're managing your bank account responsibly, there's all kinds of financing options that become available for you. Like we work with a bunch of loans and credit lines that aren't even based on consumer credit. There's not even credit pulls on the consumer side. All they care about is how you manage your business bank account. So managing the bank account opens up financing options for you, but it's essential to have that low 5 rating with 10,000 or more in your bank account over 90 days to have any chance of getting a loan from the banking system like an SBA loan. And it becomes very important as well that you continue to manage that bank account responsibly. If you have any other questions, give us a ring, 877-600-2487. Our email is info@creditsuite.com. At CreditSuite, we help you get money for your business, and we do so by helping improve your fundability with training on things like this, teaching you what you need to know to become more lendable. We also help you with all aspects of building business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social, and we help you with all aspects of getting loans and credit lines for your business as well. So if we can help you along the way to get money to grow, let us know. And at the top right of our page, you'll access our social media links there, and you'll find we have tons of training. We have a podcast we release weekly so you can listen on the go. You can access hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel. We even go live on Facebook every week and answer questions in real time. So feel free to use those resources to help you get the money that you're looking for. And again, don't forget to visit CreditSuite.com, grab your free guide, check out those social media channels so you're able to get money to grow your business.